On human rights, we are concerned, seriously concerned, by the continuous abductions of colleagues. As we are sitting here this afternoon, we are receiving reports of massive abductions that are taking place throughout the country. There is a colleague who has been abducted, or colleagues that have been abducted in Tirez, in Bulawayo, across the length and breadth of our country. We are concerned about the attack on the general membership of our movement and general citizens. We are concerned in particular at the concerted effort to liquidate the MDC alliance. We take great exception to the description of our alliance as a terrorist organization by an individual, a ramshackle individual, unqualified to make that statement in the form of Patrick Chinamasa. We are a legitimate constitutional organization that many years ago in 1999 took the bold decision to achieve democratic change in Zimbabwe through peaceful, democratic, constitutional means. Despite ZANU-PF's seduction, despite ZANU-PF's temptation, we have refused and resisted the common formula on the African continent of going into hills and calling yourself a rebel movement. We have remained loyal. We have remained loyal to the principle of peaceful, constitutional, democratic change. If anything, it is ZANU-PF itself which is a terrorist organization. It is a terrorist organization that abducts people. And if you have any doubt about that, talk to Mrs. Itai Zamara right now. She doesn't know where her husband is. Talk to Mrs. Patrick Namabanya right now. She doesn't know where her husband is. Talk to Joanna Mamombe. Talk to Nefali Maro. Talk to Cecilia Chimbiri, and they will provide you with evidence, B11, of the brutality and the terrorist nature of ZANU-PF. Talk to the family of Herbert Chitepo. Talk to the family of Jasiah Magama Tongoga. Talk to the family of General Mujuru. They will bear witness to how terrorist and organization ZANU-PF is. Talk to other members of our party right now that are being hounded left, right and center as if they are common criminals. Where is Job Scala right now? Where is Gift Osalo Siziba right now? Where is Obey Stole right now? Where is Makomborero Aruzivishe right now? They are all in hiding, being hounded by a predatory, psychocratic state led and presided over by one Emerson Mnangagwa. So I want to emphasize that we will remain loyal and to the value of peaceful transformation of our country.